Hi friends, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share my recipe of moong dal chila, or call it moong dal dosa, with paneer filling in it. So for the moong dal chila or moong dal dosa, here I have moong sprouts. So let me show you. So basically this is the whole moong dal that I'm using in this recipe. So what I've done is I've washed the moong dal some 2 to 3 times and soaked it overnight, and after that, after soaking it overnight, the next day rinse all the water, and I have wrapped it in this muslin cloth for one whole day. So yesterday morning I wrapped it in the muslin cloth, and today you can see that it sprouted so well. And we all know the health benefits of any sprout, for that matter, whether it is moong or chana or moat, and any sprout has amazing health benefits. So we are going to use this sprouted moong dal to make our chila. Here I've transferred the sprouts in a bowl, in a large bowl, and I'm going to rinse it with plain water. Rinse this very well. I've rinsed the sprouts well, and I've added it in the mixer. Now to this I'm adding some onions, 2 small onions. To this I'm adding in some chopped green chilies and a pinch of ginger. And I'm also using stalks of cilantro, coriander. The leaves I'm using for the chutney to have with the chila, and the stems I'm using in grinding the batter so that it gives a lot of flavor to our chila. This I'm adding in some fennel seeds for digestion, a little red chili powder, very little turmeric powder. I am adding in the salt. Now I'm adding in water. We need the batter to be of dosa consistency, so we can add a generous amount of water. So now we've added all our ingredients and time to grind it. Our batter is now ready, and I'm taking it out in a bowl. You can see that it is in a pouring consistency, just like a dosa batter. The one ingredient that I wish to add now at this stage is asafoetida. And that's it. We'll give it a gentle mix, and we'll set it aside, and meanwhile we will prepare our filling for the chila. As I said, I'm going to make stuffed chila, paneer with paneer filling. So we will start the preparations now. Now here I've taken a little oil in a pan. Now to this I'm adding in a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a little asafoetida. Adding in the chopped green chilies. Now to this I'm also adding in the chopped onions. So here our onions are almost done. We don't want it golden brown. Now I'm going to add in the chopped capsicum. Now to this we'll add in our dry spices. I'm adding in some red chili. You may avoid if you don't like spicy food, but we are fond of spicy food, so I'm adding that. A little turmeric, very little. And this time to the filling I'm adding in some coriander powder, dhania powder, adding in some dry mango powder, that is amchur powder, and finally I'm adding in some salt. We have salt in the batter, so we need to add accordingly. We'll give it a quick mix. Now the masala, the filling masala is almost ready. To this we will add the chopped paneer. You may grate the paneer, or you may just crumble it up. It's absolutely up to you. You may make it as per your choice. Now it's almost done, so we will just saute the paneer for a couple of minutes and we are done. Now to this finally I'm adding in some chopped hara dhania. that is coriander leaves, and I'm switching off the flame. After switching off the flame, I'm adding one ingredient. Now if you don't have that, you may just squeeze in half a lime to it. Since I have it, I'm adding that instead of lime, which is a little, maybe just 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, and I added this after switching off the flame. And if you don't have this, you may just squeeze in half a lime, and that's it. Our filling is ready. Now the final ingredient that I've added in this batter is rice flour, very little rice flour. So yes, that's it. Just spread it like a dosa and add the filling and roast until done. I hope you like this recipe, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for all the latest update, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified on all my upcoming videos. Thank you.